Hi, David Katzmeyer here with CNET, and this is the LG LA8600. This is a 55-inch LED LCD TV. There's also a 60-inch member of the series, which is LG's best for 2013 that's neither 4K nor OLED. It's a standard 1080p LED TV with all the bells and whistles that LG can throw this year. One of the coolest bells and whistles is something that's available on step-down LGs as well. That's the remote control. LG's remote is sort of like a Nintendo Wii controller in that you kind of wave it at the screen and you can have the cursor move around. This year it's been improved and I found it more precise than ever. It's excellent for moving around the menus, navigating a whole bunch of icons, even using the web browser, and it works with pretty much everything, although there's some apps that are not supported, but the majority of them are. LG's Smart TV Suite's also been improved this year to include the ability to show you live current television programming. That's right, you put in your zip code and your cable or satellite provider and it'll show you upcoming TV shows. It'll also allow you to sort those shows and show a bunch of different thumbnails at once. You can sort them by genre as well as whether they're SD or HD. And all told, we found the system worked really well. It's actually a little bit better than Samsung's similar system this year. It's called On TV on the LG, and it's available on this 8600 as well as a couple of other step-down TVs, but not every smart LG TV. The TV also builds in cable box control, so when you select one of those programs, it'll change the channel on your cable box. You can also call up a virtual remote. Again, it's pretty easy to use that virtual remote when you use the motion control systems. You can reach those buttons on the virtual remote pretty easily compared to a system where you have to drive around like Samsung's and try to activate those buttons using a standard cursor arrangement. All told, however, I did appreciate using a standard universal remote a little bit better than this one, especially for heavy DVR users. Other features on this LG include a pop-up camera. It's really only useful for Skype, however. Skype is included as one of the apps, but this TV doesn't support the gesture control and facial recognition found on Samsung's high-end camera-equipped television. One of the real strengths of the LA8600 is its external design. This is one of the nicest looking TVs on the market. The edge around the screen is extremely thin. It's got a little silver trim here. There's also a little thicker area along the bottom. The stand is really slick looking too. It doesn't allow it to swivel, but the U shape is pretty distinctive and it gets the TV nice and high, although it's not quite as low profile and aggressive looking as some of the other TVs out there. Of course, as an LED TV, it's also really sliver thin when seen from the side. Around back, there's 4 HDMI ports as well as 3 USB ports and a couple of provisions for analog. LG is also known for its passive 3D system. This TV includes 4 pairs of the lighter, unpowered glasses that are really comfortable to wear. The main downside on the 8600 is its picture quality in 2D. It just doesn't measure up to the high price. The TV's black levels are a little bit lighter and less realistic than some of the other high-end TVs on the market. There's also a couple of hotspots on the screen, so picture uniformity isn't quite up to snuff. On the other hand, the color accuracy is excellent and video processing is very good, but despite those strengths, the picture quality 8600 isn't quite at the level you'd expect for its high price. That's a quick look at LG's LA8600 series LED-based LCD. I'm David Katzmeyer with CNET.